Spore-bearing and cone-bearing plants. Presented by Beatriz Posadas. Differences of spore and cone-bearing plants. Most plants bear flower and reproduce by means of seeds. However, there are plants that do not bear flowers. Some non-flowering plants reproduce by means of spores. Others have naked seeds enclosed in a cone. Spore-bearing plants. These do not have flowers, fruits, and seeds. Instead of seeds, they grow from tiny cells called spores that mature without undergoing fertilization. The young leaves of, of ferns, called fiddleheads, start out curled at the roots. As they grow, the fiddleheads unfurl into a frond. The tiny brown dots on the underside of a frond are called sporangia, that are clustered into a sorus. Spores are developed in the sporangia and are released when mature. Cone-bearing plants. These do not have flowers but bear seeds in cones. These plants are called gymnosperms. Their seeds are naked, they are open to the air and do not have covering. Instead of instead of flowers or fruits, these plants have cones to hold the seeds. The cones are hard and are made of overlapping scales. Most of these plants are evergreen with needle-like leaves to help them survive very cold and dry places. Emerita de Guzman, 1919 to 1988. Emerita de Guzman is a Filipino scientist who researched on the propagation of pure makapuno trees. Her research led to a faster and increased makapuno nut production. She also worked on the propagation of other plants such as abaca and banana.